postaneš Slovenec? Z Michaelom Manskim. 25. del, part 25.
Kako biti patriot?
Some friends of mine from California visited me recently. They drove all around Slovenia, visiting all the places you should see, and a lot of the places most people don't see. When they came to visit me, they said the country was more beautiful than they expected. But they said that when they talked to people, they were shocked. They were shocked because Slovenes around the country complained about the state of Slovenia, and many of them openly said they wished foreigners would come take over. Now, I wasn't shocked to hear that because I've also heard that a lot. I mean, even public figures are calling on the Troika to come to Slovenia and run the country. And all kinds of people have told me they wouldn't mind if a group of Germans came down and just whipped the country into shape. Now, I can't tell you how bizarre that is. Let's try an experiment. What would happen if, let's say, a Slovene in the United States said that the Troika should come to Washington, or that Germans should come, or someone else? I'm pretty sure this is what would happen. So, you've been here a while now? What do you think of America? Chip? Churt? Chirp? Churt? Church? Churt? Whatever. What do you think?
Well, it's a very nice country, but Washington is a mess.
You're damn right it is.
Sometimes I think it would be better if they just got rid of all the politicians.
You're a smart guy, Chirp.
Maybe it would be better if, Germans came and just ran the country. Or maybe the Japanese.
What'd you say?
I said maybe it would be better if Germans came...
Shoot him again, Billy Ray! Nah, Gus. I think one shotgun blast to the face was enough for this f***ing Slovakian. Just hope he learned his lesson. Now, when Slovenes start complaining, you can be sure that you'll eventually hear the word chlapec. Chlapec means serf, and it worked its way into the national consciousness via the Slovenian author Ivan Cankar. Cankar published Chlapci in 1910, and it includes a line that is known to everyone in the country.
Chlapci, za chlapce rojeni, za chlapce vzgojeni.
Man, do I hate that. But what does it mean? Talk to Slovenes for long enough, and they will eventually, angrily tell you that Slovenes are chlapci. Here's something that happens to me all the time when I'm out with friends.
In zdaj bo on zaslužil 15,000 evrov na mesec. Firma pa je uničena. Ljudje nič ne delajo. Tako je, Slovenci so hlapci.
Kako misliš? Si ti hlapec?
Ne, jaz ne. Slovenci so hlapci.
Nisi ti Slovenec?
Seveda sem.
Če si rekel, da so Slovenci hlapci.
Druge mislim. Ti si tujec, ti ne razumeš.
What this means is that everyone thinks everyone else is a hlapec, and all the awful things that go along with that. Subservience, weakness, a sense of defeat. People on the right think people on the left are hlapci. The left thinks the same of the right. It's such a poisonous idea to have in the national consciousness. Pure poison. Cankar injected it into the culture, and it's still here 100 years later. But seriously now, in what other country do people think of their national character as a servant? Now stop. I know what you might be thinking. Maybe something like this.
Michael, ti ne razumeš. Slovenija je bila skoraj vedno pod kontrolo drugih. Dunaj, Beograd in zdaj Bruselj.
But isn't that true of most of the world? Every country has been defeated and dominated in its history. There are no exceptions. Croatia was also dominated by Austria for a long time. But I still haven't found a Croatian who thinks Croats are weak or made to be ruled. What I have seen is hundreds of them walking around wearing their flag as a shirt and loving their country. Now, as a foreigner, obviously I'm happy that people aren't hyper-patriotic and eager to kick foreign ass. But it's weird to be in a country where people have such a negative view of each other and of the national character. I'll tell you this, I've been here for many years and never once met anyone I would call a chlapec. So, I don't know where they are, but I'm pretty sure they're not here.
How to become a Slovene with Michael Mansky.